orbit for a rendezvous with the International Space Station.
2, 1, 0, and liftoff, the final liftoff of Atlantis. On the shoulders of the space shuttle, America will continue the dream.
Despite concerns about the weather, Atlantis blasted off from the center after a slight delay. 4 crew members are on board. Hundreds of thousands of spectators and journalists gathered to witness the launch. There was great excitement as the shuttle launched up into the sky. About 9 minutes after the launch, Atlantis separated from its external fuel tanks as scheduled. The shuttle is carrying supplies and spare parts to the International Space Station on a mission that also includes a variety of scientific research projects. NASA's first space shuttle blasted off in 1981 as the world's first reusable space vehicle. Since then, more than 350 astronauts have traveled to space in the shuttles, including 7 Japanese. Despite the program's achievements, the U.S. government decided to retire all the shuttles because of the enormous costs. Atlantis is scheduled to return to Earth on July 20th, ending an important chapter in the history of America's space program. Beef raised near the crippled Fukushima Daiichi nuclear plant and shipped to Tokyo has been found to contain radiation exceeding Japanese safety standards. The Japanese limit for radioactive cesium in beef is 500 becquerels per kilogram, but the Tokyo Metropolitan